सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के माननीय न्यायाधीश ऑनरेबल डॉक्टर जस्टिस CJI चंद्रचूड से कि वे आप सबका आभार व्यक्त करने के लिए पधारें।
Namaste. The Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Shri Justice N.V. Ramana, the Honorable Union Minister of Law and Justice, Shri Kiran Rijiju ji, my distinguished colleague and the Executive Chairperson of the National Legal Services Authority, Shri Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, brothers and sisters on the bench of the Supreme Court, Chief Justices and Judges of the High Courts, judicial officers across the nation, distinguished members of the Bar, members of the National Legal Services Authority, the state and the district legal services authorities, and students of law. It is an honor to propose the vote of thanks for the inaugural of the first All India District Legal Services Authorities meet of 2022. We have gathered here to celebrate and deliberate on the realization of the constitutional ideals of access to justice. This first All India District Legal Services Authorities meet is an endeavor to honor the remarkable effort of the district level and grassroots stakeholders who have strived long and toiled hard to enable access to justice in the remote regions of our country. In a nation as vast as ours, where graded inequality still persists, justice ought not to be limited to the socio-economically privileged sections of our society. It is the duty of state actors to secure a just and egalitarian social order in which the legal system promotes justice and ensures that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any segment of society due to social and economic disabilities. NALSA is an ambitious project of constitutional reach which uses the bottom-up approach to ensure that access to justice penetrates through the rivers, mountains, and deserts of our beautiful landscape. The first session today is going to be deliberating upon artificial intelligence and technology. NALSA, similar to the E-Committee of the Supreme Court, uses technology to enhance the outreach of its services. The E-Committee has established E-Seva Kendras in 26 high courts and 500 district courts to enable litigants to obtain information on the case status, extend assistance in e-filing of cases, and to avail of the full range of services provided by the e-courts project. Similarly, NALSA provides online mediation services and a legal aid management portal which helps individuals secure access to information. Together, we possess the ability to taper the digital divide by widening the reach of technology. Technology does not have a human face, but deployed with understanding, it has the potential to realize access to justice. Appropriate technologies must be developed locally and close consultation with the beneficiaries in order to optimize the benefits of the services we provide. Technology must not be used to substitute the role and labor of humankind. Rather, it must be employed to aid and enhance the work of humans. The challenge before us as judicial administrators is to maximize the outreach of our services by integrating technology with a human face. The deliberations over the next 2 days will enable us to assess where we stand and reach out with commitment to the future. The impact of technology on furthering access to justice to every citizen is significant. During this year, up to 28 July 2022, our e-Tal website has recorded 250 crore e-transactions. Up to 30 April 2022, 5.46 crore automated emails have been sent to citizens. 35 lakh hits are recorded daily on the eCourt Services mobile application. 19.2 million cases were heard on video conferencing by the High Courts and the District Courts as of 30 April 2022. 1.78 crore cases have been disposed of by virtual courts. The National Judicial Data Grid has data of 17 crore decided and pending cases. Common service centers in every Gram Panchayat are being set up under the auspices of the Digital India initiative of the Union Government. The integration of e-court services with common service centers will ensure that the reach of the Indian judiciary extends to every citizen in every village across India. I extend a sincere vote of thanks to the stakeholders who have gathered here today. I thank the Honorable Prime Minister for sparing his valuable time to attend this event and to share his vision for the future. I thank the Honorable Chief Justice of India, who is the pillar of support behind every initiative of the Supreme Court, including NALSA and the E-Committee. I thank my brother judge, my distinguished colleague, Chief Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, for his invaluable drive to secure access to justice that has propelled the rights framework in a true direction. Our thanks to the Union Minister of Law and Justice, who has abundantly supported the endeavors of the Supreme Court and its interaction with technology. And I also thank every officer of the Department of Justice. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the members of the National Legal Services Authority at the national, state, and district levels, without whose precious contribution the ideal of access to justice would have remained buried deep in the pages of law and statutes. They work and continue to work tirelessly to secure access to justice for the marginalized segments of society in remote locations across India. In the judicial system, they are truly our frontline workers. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the organizers for their excellent logistical support in convening this event. I look forward to our celebration of the ideals of NALSA and therefore of the Constitution today and every day. Namaskar. Thank you.